Ay, pausa po West, nagkakot ng bagahe. See you sa Dubai through Naiya 3. Dito na tayo sa Naiya 3. Ano? Maluwag-luwag. Saan nagbiyahe kami? Taxi lang ho kami, wala kaming driver ho eh. Dali ng ano, wala pa isang oras, andito na kami. Isang oras, almost isang oras lang. Kaya enjoy tayo sa Dubai. Luwag, wala pa masyadong tao. Okay lang yan. Lumabas na kami ng immigration at kami ay dito. Naghanap kami makakainan. Actually mahal dito pero wala magagawa eh. Ito talaga kakain talaga. Pero mga restaurant man eh, pwede na rin kakain. Ayun sila oh. Si Cholo, si Chino, si Elaine. Mahal dito pero okay lang. Dahil kami ay maaga, dito kami sa Pugs Premium Lounge. Napapasok kami sa loob. Daming tao. Aga kasi namin eh. 5 hours pa kami maghihintay. So dito tayo sa labas. Pwede rin kumain sa baba. Alas, kain muna kami dito sa restaurant. Chicken, beef tapa, chino. Ayan, kain muna kami. Sila kumain ng tinapay. Kaya kain muna kami bago umalis kasi mamaya pa kami na stress. Okay, pila na kami. Aha. Ayan na. Ito na kami ng ano. Bye. Pila na. So, ayan na. Hintayin na kami. Paikot. So, pila na siya. Okay, that's our airplane, Cebu Pacific, going to Dubai. Doon na sila. Nauna na. Naiya 3. Okay, labas na tayo. Maatras na. Pipila na tayo doon sa take off.
everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Dubai International Airport. Local time now is 20 minutes past 10 in the evening. Once again, there's 4-hour time difference between Manila and Dubai. The ground temperature is at 28 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Also, be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by Atlanta crew, Captain Mayuga, First Officer Dina, and First Officer De Jesus, together with your cabin crew, but thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For guests with infant-to-infant life vest shall be collected after this embarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket, and be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, we do apologize for this flight delay, and we hope to make it up to you next time you fly with Cebu Pacific. Good evening.
Okay.
Hi, sir. Thank you.
Okay, it's Dubai.
So this is your boarding pass from Dubai.
Okay, lamig, sarap. First step sa Dubai. Ano doon? 280. Ano? Airbus. Ano pa pala yun? 890 ba yun?
कुछ भी नहीं है एडिशनल है
A380. Dubai. Bago kami kumuha ng baggage, kailangan pa mag-transfer ng sa tren. Laki kasi. So ito na. Kunin namin yung aming baggage reclaim. Taas. Okay, galing na kami sa tren. Ayan. Baggage. Laki ng airport nila rito. Tsaka ang lamig. Ang linis. Nakakaingit. Meron tayo sa Pilipinas. Hello! Welcome to my channel. Ito sa aming sundo. Going to our hotel. Lumabas kami na airport.